What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. Today we have a audio wire from Anker. Alright guys, so doesn't really need to be a long video, so we'll keep it short and sweet. Anker, great product, reputable brand. If you guys haven't heard of Anker by now, you're living in a cave. They make everything. I love their battery banks, all their wiring. This is my first mic wire from them. So we're going to open this bad boy up and show you guys and do a little explanation. Little explanation time. So I am running my camera setup here. So if you guys are ever wondering or curious, I did a review on it, but it's the Canon 80D. And I got a L series 16-35 lens on here. Yes, I know, it's only 1080. I know. All you guys complaining, but buy me a better camera. I think it's a good camera. I think the picture quality is pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Anyway, we're not here to talk about cameras. We're here to talk about mics and mic wires. So I run the Rode Video Mic Pro. Pro Plus, whatever, the top of the line Go mic that you can get, I got from them. Here is the Anker wire. So it has their branding right there. Comes with a pretty cool little Velcro tie. I will save this. I will reuse this because those things are great. So, two reasons why I got this wire. It is 4 foot long. I'm not 100% sure if they make different sizes. It retails for $9.99 and I got it on sale for $6.39. So the wire is thick, it is nice, it is flexible, bendy. I know you guys care about that stuff a lot. So I wanted something that was a little better quality. Again, I'm using the Rode mic and I'm using the Rode wire that comes with it, which I never really had an issue until recently with it. I've been using this setup for probably 3 years now. They've been traveling with me, thrown in a bag, crushed, thrown around, whatever. And the wire has held up for the past, I would say probably 3 years with no issues at all. I've noticed now that sometimes when I move my wire around a little bit, I lose like either the left channel or the right channel. Again, if you guys know nothing about audio, this video is kind of pointless to you. But specifically, I bought this for my camera audio needs. You guys obviously can use this wire in your car for audio jacks, whether you want to hook your phone up to your car, or if anybody uses iPods anymore, I doubt it. But, you know, anything that has a 3.5 millimeter jack, you can use this wire for, so this video is relevant to you, I guess. I also need something a little bit longer. So my camera obviously is here. My mic is like right here, just outside of the frame. And, you know, that's like a 12-inch wire. And I want to get my mic a little more higher and a little closer to me, right about here, so you guys cannot see it. So I needed the longer wire, needed the better quality, and yeah, so let's plug in the wire. I doubt we're going to notice any type of audio difference, but if we didn't test things, why would we have a review channel? Let's plug this in. Alright guys, so here is the new wire plugged in. Obviously you guys can't see it, so yeah, but here is the Rode wire, so you guys can see. I'm not lying. I tell the truth. It says Rode. It does. But you see how short it is? It's not 4 feet. I wish. It's small. I need a little bit more length. Again, you guys notice any audio difference? I highly doubt it. I am doing this live with you guys, so I don't know. But I also want to move the mic a little closer to me so I can talk a little lower and hopefully have better audio. Alright guys, so now the mic is in the new position. Hopefully the final resting place for the mic Hopefully this sounds good to you guys. If not, we got to readjust everything all over again. So that's all we got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys need a wire, go with Anker. It's a reputable brand. It's good quality stuff. And yeah, I'm not paid or sponsored by Anker or anybody. I just make videos, hopefully, to help you guys out. So if you guys found this video useful, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Check out our other content in the playlist section. There's a ton of stuff there. Thank you guys for watching.